In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically download and organize attachments from Outlook into a specific folder. This is a great way to keep your inbox clean and manage important files more efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Outlook website. Once the page loads, click on the Sign In button. Now enter your Outlook email address and password, then click Next to continue. After signing in, you'll arrive at the Outlook dashboard where all your emails are located. Now, before we continue, there's something important to know. In the latest version of Outlook, there's no direct feature that automatically downloads attachments straight to your computer like older versions or some third-party apps. However, Outlook still gives us a useful workaround by automatically organizing emails with attachments into a dedicated folder. This makes attachments much easier to find and manage. So now, let's set that up step by step. While you're on the Outlook dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon for settings. Go ahead and click on it. This will open the Outlook Settings panel. Now, scroll down and select Mail. Inside the Mail section, look for the option called Rules. Rules are automatic actions Outlook performs whenever certain emails arrive in your inbox. They help save time by organizing messages automatically. Now, click on Add New Rule. This is where we'll create a rule for emails that contain attachments. First, give your rule a name. You can call it something simple like Save Attachments or Attachment Folder Rule. Giving your rule a clear name makes it easier to recognize later if you want to edit or remove it. Next, move to the Conditions section. Click the Condition drop-down menu and choose Has Attachments. This tells Outlook to detect emails that include files or documents attached to them. Now we need to choose what Outlook should do when those emails arrive. Under the Actions section, click on Add an Action. From the list, select Move to. Now choose the folder where you want those emails to go. You can either select an existing folder or create a brand new folder specifically for attachment emails. For example, you could create folders like Work Attachments, Invoices, Documents, or Receipts. This helps keep your inbox more organized and makes important files easier to locate later. Once you finish selecting the folder, save the rule. From now on, whenever you receive an email with an attachment, Outlook will automatically move it into that folder. Even though the files are not automatically downloaded to your computer directly, this method still helps you quickly access and organize all attachment emails in one place. It's a very useful setup if you receive lots of documents, PDFs, invoices, or work files every day. Here's a quick extra tip. If you want the attachments saved directly to your computer automatically, you may need third-party automation tools like Power Automate or Zapier. But for most users, using Outlook Rules is the easiest and safest method. And that's it. Now you know how to automatically organize attachment emails in Outlook using rules. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more simple tutorials.